doesn't like the wind at all. It's just too underpowered for the wind, but there's not a lot I can do about that. So we'll just keep going until the battery runs out. As you can see, it can't take off. It's just too gusty today. I didn't realise how windy it was that even just walking with it now my propellers are spinning, and as you can see, or may not be able to see, the bag is spinning round me. That goes to show just how gusty it is, and perhaps it wasn't my bestest idea of going out on a windy day. Hey ho, here having fun!